Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with the Word. I'm here today with my friend Sandy Anthony and we're going to be making some Korean street toast. This stuff is absolutely delicious. You make it like an omelet, you use cabbage, and we're going to take you step by step. You're going to love it, so stay tuned with us. And first thing, we're going to take a head of cabbage and we got to get this thing just exactly the right touch here. And there we go. Got it all chopped up. I'm one of them long strands like this to help bind everything together. So we got all this done. Now we're going to whip up some eggs. Okay, we got a pretty good sized bowl here. And now we're going to crack some eggs and see what happens. And there we go. We got 7 eggs in there. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to mix them up a little bit first. Let's mix them too much. Going to just give them a little mix. We'll take 1 large onion and let's see what spot we're going to hit that at. Yep, perfect spot right there. We'll get our onions now. Like I said, we want to get some little strings. We don't want to have too big. So if you got larger pieces, just cut those up. It's no big deal. Here to where they're tear apart really good. Got plenty of onions, and next we're going to do some carrots. Scrape these onions to the side here a little bit. I may be cheating on the carrots if y'all don't mind. It's like, bam, okay. So we got the carrots done. Like I said, I want the long strands. And I'll show you the reason why. Now we're going to add this to our egg mixture. Okay, let's add some cabbage in. Add some carrots in.
Oh, okay.
Add some onions in. Got all this mixed up right here. Let's see. I got 1 chunk of cabbage here. I might get that out of there. And a few more carrots. Add a little bit more cabbage. A little bit more onions. Let's get this mixed up real good. Now we've done 7 eggs, so we want to try to make maybe about 7 sandwiches out of 7 eggs. Get all that mixed in good. It's all mixed in really good together. We're going to add our seasoning here in just a minute. For now, let's get all the mixture ready. Got plenty of eggs still in the bottom there. There we go. Now we're going to add some special blend seasoning. Get a little bit of a taste. I'm going to add some pepper. How much do we add? We'll just add some. Just put some in there. Add it to the taste. If it's not enough, add more. If it's too much, man up and eat it anyway. Add some garlic. We like a lot of garlic. Keeps the vampires away. Now we're going to stir that up really good. Liking the looks of that. That looks good there. What do you think about that, Sandy?
Oh, it looks great.
All right, let's go get our grill ready. Okay, right here on the grill. Let's put some butter down. Buttered up real good. Said we're gonna make 7, but it looks like we're gonna have about 6. Did I say 5? I can't remember now how many I said. Okay, get those all poured in there, and we're gonna start shaping them a little. I got my grill set on low. I don't want to cook it too fast. Make sure we know what we're doing here. We'll let that cook just a little bit and we'll be right back. Get this turned over. Let's say cheese, please. Big thick piece of cheese. I'll get a few more buns here now. It's more or less a cabbage omelet. Cabbage, onions, and carrots. Who doesn't like cabbage, onions, and carrots? Looks like my patties that I made, the cabbage burgers or cabbage omelets or whatever you want to call them, are quite a bit bigger than the buns, but that's okay. We'll just eat around the outside first. these up. Put these on here. We're going to cut the heat off. Make sure you cut off your tank every time you cut your heat off. Cut the burners off, walk over directly and cut off your tank. Let's get these inside. Alright, we got this thing inside now, and my good friend Mr. Sandy Anthony is going to give this a try. Let's just dress it up a little bit. With some mayonnaise. That's Kraft's real mayonnaise right there. I'm not using anything fake today. It's all real mayonnaise. I didn't know they made fake mayonnaise, but hey, it's just a little bit of ketchup on it. And we're going to put just a little bit more cabbage on it. Let's give this a try. The cotton looks good. Alright folks, we're back for the best part. My good friend Mr. Sandy Anthony has no idea what this is going to taste like. He's ate some Korean food before, but maybe not this. So you ready for the taste test, Sandy?
Oh yeah, let's go and see what happens here. I'd like to give a shout out to all our veterans, the ones who have served and the ones who are continuing to serve our country at this time.
That's a big sandwich.
It's definitely big, I'll tell you what. This is good.
You like it?
Oh yes.
I hope everyone tries this. If you like our videos, please follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, subscribe, follow, hit that likes button, and send a little message telling Sandy how much you appreciate his service for this country, as he was Staff Sergeant in the U.S. Army. And my father was 5 major battles in World War II, landed on D-Day, the Battle of the Bulge, and several more. And we appreciate all our veterans out there. And we remember you. We think about you. From Mike Muncie and Sandy Anthony, have a good day.